Hi, Cassius. It's Grandma Lovey. I'm going to read you a story today. It's Big Fire Truck. It's by Sesame Street. Look, there's Elmo. There's the big fire truck. Yay, hooray! The Sesame Street block party is today. Elmo can't wait for the parade and the games and the barbecue and the balloons. Best of all, Elmo, Abby, and Zoe get a ride on a real fire engine. You can come too. Let's meet at the firehouse. Do you know why a fire station is also called a firehouse? Firefighters cook, eat, shower, and sleep there while they wait for emergencies to come in.
Engine 123, water control. Open hydrant on Sesame Street.
There's the inside of the fire station and all their equipment. Just for fun, Elmo and his friends try on some gear. It's heavy. Then Elmo climbs aboard the 123 and they join the parade. Zoe pretends to drive. Abby pretends to go fast. Elmo pretends to honk the horn. Then the firefighters let him really honk the horn. Now you try it. Grandma will try it for you. There's Big Bird and Grover at the parade. Can you say Big Bird? At the block party, the firefighters show them the engine and then parks it. All the little monsters honk the horn and make the siren go. A firefighter sprinkles the hose and gets everyone wet. Elmo pretends that there's a real emergency.
Engine 123, water control. Open hydrant on Sesame Street.
It's firefighter Elmo and you to the rescue. A tanker truck can hold 1,000 gallons of water. A pumper truck gets water by attaching a hose to a fire hydrant and pumping water. Look, there's Big Bird and the firemen spraying them with the hose. Everybody's getting wet. Isn't that fun? Whoops, now there's a real emergency. But it's not the kind that needs a fire extinguisher or a hose. Can you see who needs help? What firefighter tool do you think will help? Well, I think it's the cat in the tree and he's really high up. So maybe they need a ladder to get him out of the tree. A ladder truck is a long ladder, has a long ladder on top that unfolds to reach up and up. Ladder trucks can help rescue people and pets and firefighters way up high. There's Big Bird and his friends watching the firewoman get the cat out of the tree. The cat is rescued and the block party is over. Elmo and his friends ride back to the firehouse. They get helmets for being such great helpers. You are a great help too. When you hear a fire siren, and see flashing lights, it means that there's an emergency. All other vehicles must move to the side of the road. and stop and let the fire engine pass by. The firefighters get a treat for working so hard to keep everyone safe. Let's say thank you. The end. I hope you like that story. Until next time, bye-bye. I love you.